Today's topic is crowding. Crowding is the most common intra-arch malocclusion. It is the condition where there is malalignment of teeth caused by inadequate space. Classification: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Etiology: it may arise from hereditary cause and environmental cause. Environmental cause involve trauma, rotation of teeth, abnormal eruption, etc. Clinical features: the common signs include crowded lower incisor, premature exfoliation of deciduous canine, bulging of the canine, gingival recession, reduced leeway space, and possible impaction of the molars. Management: it depends on the age and severity. In mixed dentition, Moyer's analysis, and mild cases can be managed with space maintainer or guided eruption. In permanent dentition, use arch length analysis like caries analysis. It involves non-extraction methods like proximal stripping, molar distalization, lip bumpers, and arch expansion. And extraction methods involve selective extraction of the teeth followed by alignment using fixed mechanotherapy.